You all know I've become such a huge fan of dry brushing, both for my body and on my face. It's done wonders to improve my skin elasticity, not to mention the appearance of cellulite on the back of my legs. Oh my gosh. Basically, when we are dry brushing, we are brushing off dead, dry skin. These dead skin cells can get caught in the bristles of our brushes, along with any oils or products that we have on our skin. You might be asking the question, do we need to wash our dry brushes? No, you do not. If they are sitting in your drawer somewhere in your house, not being used, like mine were for about 3 years, you do not have to wash these. They're fine where they are. However, if you're using them daily like I am, yes, we need to clean them. I clean my dry brushes once a week. It's easy for me to remember because I make my DIY vitamin C serum once a week, and I do this all at the same time. If you're interested in making your own vitamin C serum, I'll put a link to that video at the end of this one. So how do I clean my brushes? It's pretty simple. Let me show you.
To clean the brushes, I pour a small amount of Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap into a baking dish. Then just add enough warm water to cover the bristles, but not reach the wooden area of my brushes. I swish the brushes into the water to clean the bristles, and as you can see, the oil and dry skin coming off of the brushes dirties or clouds the water. I use a microfiber washcloth to scrub the brushes onto, which assists in helping remove any oils and debris, as well as soap. Once the water is too cloudy, I will rinse it and repeat. I continue to rinse and repeat this method until the water no longer becomes cloudy.
Now that I have cleaned them, what I'm going to do is treat them with a little tea tree oil. All I'm going to do is put some warm water in that baking dish and add a few drops, 1 drop per dry brush that I am cleaning. So in this case, I have 5 dry brushes that I am cleaning. I will be using 5 drops of organic tea tree oil with the warm water and leaving them in for 2 minutes to soak. Once your brushes have soaked for 2 minutes in the tea tree oil and warm water solution, you can simply give them a nice light rinse and then place them on a towel to dry. I usually dry mine overnight, which is why I'm still in my robe, because I just finished dry brushing and I wanted to get those done. So that's it, nice and easy. I'm curious, how are you guys cleaning your dry brushes? I'd love to hear about it. Thank you for spending this time with me. Now I've got to change out of my robe into my tennis clothes because I am meeting my girlfriends for some good doubles tennis this morning. What are you doing today to play?